Wozani Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly ngane zakwethu. Cha ngithi bafethu angizokhuza la. Hayi ngane zakwethu. Yabona lento elokhu ikhulunywa uJulius Malema kancane kancane lokho eveza inzondo yakhe towards MK. It's not like iqhamuka phansi ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yakhe. Cha. This thing is deliberate. Ukuprovoke iMK so that kuzogcina kulo. Angithi ni understand ukuthi mangathiwa kuyaliwa between iMK neEFF kuzolwa thina abalandeli. uJulius Malema is protected, angeke abe nalutho. Abantu abazofa ama followers eEFF nama followers eMK. Julius Malema will be touched. He does not care about anyone but himself. So lento akayikhulumayo ukuthi sizilima kanye nomholi wethu uyisho deliberate. Uyasiprovoke. Bafethu ihistory iyaziphinda manje. Bekune IFP neANC in the past, and those people together they could change isituation yethu la eSouth Africa, not lento esinayo njengamanje ukuthiwa idemocracy, but bebengayishintsha le nto, but they were infiltrated by abantu abamhlophe, so much so ukuthi baze balwa bodwa labantu beqhathwa abantu abamhlophe, because amongst them bekukhona abantu abathengeka lula. So same thing that is happening with Julius Malema. Please, I'm begging you, my MK Amahle, if EFF they want to fight for whatever reason, it's fine, then they will get what they are looking for. But me if angeke ngishumayela Lord ukuthi uJulius Malema mkhipheni engqondweni zenu bafethu, futhi kube kuyenzeka bengizothi namavideo abantu belokhuzana ningawabuki beEFF. Just block everything, because this thing is done deliberately to cause chaos between MK and EFF, and they are using Julius. Lento iyenzeka ku-IFP na ku-ANC iyaphinda manje. So phumani bafethu kuJulius ne-EFF yakhe ba right ngoba bona they believe ku-CIC. Yabo, they believe kuye, ababoni u-CIC ukuthi is dividing black people between EFF ne-MK. Yabona manje useyiveze ngokusobala ke nalabo bebesenenkani, even la ngaphakathi ku-MK bekukhona abantu esithi masikhuluma thina ukuthi uJulius is being sent by the establishment, and then yena wenze ngathi umela abantu. He is the only black person one right ukukhuluma noma ngayini akayithandayo eSouth Africa, noma ngathi kill the poor kill the farmer, une right ukukhuluma lo, because why bafuna kwenzeke ngathi uJulius Malema umela abantu kanti uJulius Malema uzimele yena yedwa gelekeqe. That's why laba abahlakaniphile bamshiyile namhlanje. Laba abahlakaniphile bamshiyile namhlanje, because that one is a tool that is used by the white monopoly capital. La kahlale ekhuluma ngayo exhaphaza nina nani bese nibone ngathi uJulius Malema is on your side. Julius is not on your side. I'm telling you today. You can see, even if ngambe kuthiwa stupid kangakanani, akekho umuntu ongakhuluma kanje ngoJulius njengoba ekhuluma ethi usesayidini labantu, because uyazi ukuthi kwa MK and lento le elokhuzana yepolitiki iyajikajika. Abantu abavoteli iMK lokho okudlule kupossible bavoteli iEFF kokuzayo, nabavoteli iEFF kokudlule kupossible bavoteli iMK kokuzayo. So you cannot say people are stupid. The very same people labo zobufuna ukuthi bakuvotele futhi, unless if kuukuthi wena we are playing a game. So umuntu ongakamboni uJulius ukuthi ukuphi la ekhona kusho ukuthi vele uqinisile uJulius mangabulanga phakathi kuMK noma ngabe kuEFF ke futhi lento esho uJulius nakuwe uyiyo lento akayisho. Stupid. So ngithi mina phumani bafethu uJulius ningayihoyeli yanto le nto izosixabanisa thina as black people, silwe sodwa for nothing. Siye ku focus ekuthweni sibuye isizwe bese silwa sodwa. Le nto is done deliberately. Phumani le nto bafethu, ngiyanicela please.